Has the multi-encoding announcement Twitch made from CES this week got you excited? Was any of the excitement stifled by the additional announcement that Twitch is laying off around 500 employees? It's CES week in Las Vegas, and while I'd love to be there, I still have a day job I need to work to make a living. You'd think after doing tech YouTube for 8 years, things would be better, but nope. Anyways, let's talk about this Twitch news. Twitch's announcement about multi-encoding is a big deal for all tiers of streamers on Twitch. Sure, partners already get guaranteed transcodes, but other benefits include Twitch servers updating to accept AV1 and HEVC encoding, or at least experimenting with it in their beta for all this to work on an eventual wide rollout. Regardless, AV1 and HEVC encoding mean higher quality streams for less upload bandwidth. It also means the ability to make 1440p and 4K streams actually look decent. People will tell you that affiliates also get transcoding, but it isn't guaranteed. It's ultimately up to Twitch whether any specific time you hit start streaming in OBS will get you transcoding, and non-affiliates don't get this chance at all. Twitch is throwing everyone a bone here with this multi-encoding announcement. This will enable you to further leverage your graphics cards encoding hardware, which most modern GPUs from Nvidia since 2014 and Radeon since 2016 all support. What multi-encoding means is that you'll be able to send multiples of your streams out of OBS into Twitch, all at different qualities. Think of it as having the ability to now offer a high quality and low quality version of your stream. I watch streams on mobile all the time. If a streamer doesn't have transcoding, then I tend to get a lot of buffering. So if a streamer would offer me a low quality, aka lower bandwidth stream, that's what I'd switch to on my phone. Or I'd also just switch to that if I had slow internet at home. You can't be mad at options like this, especially when Twitch didn't need to do anything like this. If they simply announced AV1 and HEVC ingest support, everybody would be happy. The only downside is your internet upload speed will need to be up to snuff to handle sending multiple encodes out. That means 3 streams at 5 megabits per second would total a need of 15 megs of upload. Twitch hasn't settled on a new hard cap, but don't expect them to go much past 10 to 15 megabits. Sure, with AV1 and HEVC, you won't need as much bitrate in order to get a good quality stream, but still. All that said, I do wonder if there would be a way to utilize multi-encoding to send 2 completely different streams to the same channel and use the quality selector to switch between streams. Think subchannels like 1, 1.1, 1.2, stuff like that. I could see this being useful for, say, podcast streams.
Our wives are behind the scene if you guys didn't know that already.
We have wives.
Or streams with multiple angles or presenters. By the way, we have a podcast if you didn't know, link in description. Okay, now the bad news. Twitch is laying off about 500 people. The tech industry has been flush with layoffs in recent times, and to be honest, it's crazy that Twitch held out this long, especially considering they've been a losing arm of Amazon ever since they were acquired, and before that even. As a business decision, it makes sense, which is obviously unfortunate for everyone affected. So my heart goes out to all of you, and I hope you all find yourselves back on your feet sooner rather than later. Anyways, CES continues to roll on. Wish I was there. If something else I find interesting in the PC hardware and streaming space gets announced, you'll see me again, so get subscribed. Sure, some graphics cards and CPUs were announced, but nothing groundbreaking in my opinion. I'm pretty picky when it comes to what I like to talk about for videos that comes out of CES, because there's just so much. Anyways, come to my stream and let's talk more CES tech there. I'm live every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/CoalitionChris. Links down in the description. See you guys later.